Yep. So I've done some good progress on my my trunk here. I've got a few things to kind of make nice. Here's one of them. I'm gonna sand that out and even it out, make it look nicer. But the whole back, I don't know what you'd call it, member is nice and closed up. Looks awfully nice. The work I did here with the putting in that new thing there looks awfully good too. I'm pretty happy with that. I've got some work to do here in the corner to make all that smoothed out. That's painted over seam sealer, but I think I can do a little bit better to make it, appear nicer. Maybe I'll just leave it. Who knows? And then the rest of this is just, gotta scratch, not scratch there. That's just something in the, it's dust and stuff. Rest of the trunk is pretty nice. I've got some some dust and some other junk to get out of there, but this was really pitted. I'm not going to worry about that little bit because it's going to be covered up with that gasket for the gas tank. A little bit of work in there to do, and I think in here as well. When I actually prime this thing with epoxy primer, many of those little ripples and things will go away. I'm going to sand out what I can before I epoxy prime my entire trunk. But like I say, I'm not too awfully displeased. I have probably 9 hours in the different little bits and pieces and things I've done in the trunk, and I'm going to move back to here. Of the 1 quart container of Bondo I've used maybe 10% of it. So you're looking at thin skiffs of the stuff. I kind of took a break from this to move into my trunk. And at one point, and this is just killing me, I mixed it with a hardener, with not enough hardener, and the stuff never hardened, so I had to scrape all that crap off and start fresh. So you're looking at about 2 days worth of stuff that I had to redo. Gotta kick myself. So again, small little bit of indentations. What are these? Huh, interesting. Indentations that I'll be block sanding once I'm done with the leveling out. Yeah, not unhappy with my progress though with this thus far.